أعوذ بالله بسم الله الحمد لله ثم الصلاة والسلام على أشرف النبيين وإمام المرسلين نبينا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى آله وأصحابه فمن تبع الإحسان إلى يوم لا ينفع مال ولا بنون إلا ما أتى الله بقلب السليم. أما بعد, respected students of knowledge, viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for his infinite mercy upon us. We send salutation to our noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, his household, his companions, and those who follow his footsteps to the day of accountability. I bear witness that there is no any deity worthy of worship except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is his slave and messenger. Respected students of knowledge, so we are done with Muduud, but in part 4 of this lesson 5, what we shall be looking at is Muraja'atu alal Muduud. Muraja'atu alal Muduud. So if you open to page 36 of the book we are using, Nurul Bayan, so you notice that this page, what the author has brought is what? Muraja'atu alal Muduud, that is a revision on Muduud. So far we have learnt all the Muduud. We have learnt Alif Mad, we've learnt Alif Mad, we've learnt Alif Mad, we've learnt Waw Mad, we've learnt Yaw Mad. Equally, we have learnt Alif Sagira, which is equally a mad. We've learnt Yaw Sagira, and we've learnt Waw Sagira. So these are the Muduud we have. These are what we use to stretch our Arabic vowels, that is harakat. So we are going to be going through everything on this page. So respected student, this is at-tadrib al-awwal, which is the author say amsilatu Qur'aniyya, that is, this example are from the glorious Quran. So you should read after me. So Hadithu Musa, Hadithu Musa. If you look at this hadith, you are going to stretch here. Mu, stretch. Sa. Why this one is Yawmad? This one is Wawmad. Mu. Sa is Alif Sagira. Amanu. Amanu. Wa amilu. Amanu. Wa amilu. Look at it. Alif Mad. Manu nu Waw Mad. Wa amilu lu Waw Mad. So wala yakadu yubinu. Wala la Alif Mad. Yaka Alif Mad. Du yubi bi Yaw Mad. Wala yakadu yubinu. Now, fagulibu bu Waw Mad. Huna na Alif Mad. Hunalika fiha fi Yaw Mad. Ha Alif Mad. Fawaki'u fawakihu. Fawa Alif Sagira. Kihu. Satajiduna. You stretch with 2 harakat. This is Waw Mad. Duna. Kharina. Alif Mad. Khari Yaw Mad. Na. fayakidu laka, fayakidu laka, fayakidu ki yaumad, du waumad, laka. Now, so we say this one. Fayakidu laka, du waumad. So this ki, fayakidu laka. So take note. Sadaku ma ahadu, sadaku ku waumad, ma alif mad, a alif sagira, ha du ahadu, du waumad, sadaku ma ahadu. Nasiya hutahuma, nasiya hutahuma, nasiya ya alif mad, hu waw mad, tahuma alif mad. Qalu bala, qalu bala, qa alif mad, lu waw mad, bala alif sagira. Hazihi, hazihi, ha alif sagira, hi yaw sagira. Can you see yaw sagira? Okay, so you equally stretch with two harakat. Hazihi bida'atuna, bida'atuna, da alif sagira, atuna alif mad. Fiha, fiha yaw mad, alif mad. Ma'ayisha, ma'ayisha, a alif sagira. Fiha ma'ayish. So that's the how to recite in Quran. The last araf you just give a sukun, but we are coming to that gradually, inshallah. So wa ma kanu, wa ma kanu, take note, three stretch. Ma alif mad, ka alif mad, nu waw mad, wa ma kanu sabikina, sabikina, sa alif sagira, ki yaumad. Qalu, qalu, can you see? Qalu alif mad, waw mad. Taqasamu, taqasamu, qa alif mad, mu waw mad. Wa turisinina, wa turisinina, take note, tu waw mad, si yaw mad, ni yaw mad. Yuridu, yuridu, can you see? Yuridu khiyanataka, yuri yaw mad, du waw mad, khiyanataka, ya. So take note, alif mad. Fiha, fiha, fi yaw mad, ha alif mad. Rawasiya, rawa, this one, can you see the alif sagira there? So small alif. So when you say alif sagira, you mean small alif, but it's equally stretched with two harakat. Rawasiya. Okay. Kanu yusari'una, kanu yusari'una. Ka alif mad, no waw mad. Sa alif sagira, can you see it? Una, so waw mad. Ilahau hawa'u. Ilahau hawa'u. Ila alif sagira. Hu waw sagira. Can you see? Small waw. The waw is small. So hu, but it's equally stretched with two harakat. Hawa alif sagira. Hu. Wabaraka. Wabaraka. So you don't recite wabaraka. No. Ba alif sagira. Wabaraka. Fiha yawmad and alif mad. So you are going to elongate the sound with two harakat. So ha-huna. Are you taking notes? So you don't just say ha-huna. Ha-huna qa'iduna. Ha-huna qa'iduna. Ha alif sagira. Na alif mad. Qa alif sagira. Du waw mad. Fala rafasa wala fusuqa. Fala rafasa wala fusuqa. Fala rafasa wala fusuqa. So you've gotten where the mad is. Take note. La sahirani yuridani. La sahirani yuridani. La sahirani yuridani. Fala talumuni walumu. Fala talumuni walumu. Do you take note of those Muduud? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 3 Muduud there. Fala talumuni walumu. Naam. And it's a verse of the Quran. So please take note of all these verses. They are verses of the Quran. La taqulu ra'ina. La taqulu ra'ina. La taqulu ra'ina. Fasalakahu yunabi'. Fasalakahu hu waw sagira. Yunabi'. So the ain, you take note of this ain so that it will not be stretched in the process of trying to pronounce it. But if it is Quraniya recitation, so you just give it scone. Just say bi. Fasalakahu yanabi'. Taraka alu Musa. Taraka alu Musa. Taraka alu Musa. So this is the end of this exercise 1. هذا وصلى الله على نبي المصطفى وعلى آله وأصحاب الأيار وسلم تسليما كثيرا. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share and love with family and friends so that this knowledge get to those that are in need of it. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.